What's good, guys? It's another day, another dollar. So you guys, basically also what I'm doing today is we're gonna be going to Chingoma Baba. So right now I'm going to pick up Tanaka, and then we wanna go and see my artist Edu performing live. Baba T-Gonzi, Mkaratia, Rana Rus is launching his album, and I'm Bling 4. Chanjo with a lot of artists. Gonna be a banger, man. It's gonna be like right now it's like 9:10, and I'm going to pick up Tanaka and then to buy what to buy. So if it's the first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more and more content. It's your boy President Dude, reporting live from Zimbabwe. And yeah, Tanaka tonight from Zimbabwe. Komana afunga sugar of Zimbabwe. Saka ketiende na ema system Zimbabwe. You understand? So right now I'm going to pick him up, and then I'll show you soon. So make sure you stay tuned because it's gonna be bigger. So I'll be a fire vlog. You understand? Ndayo na trapi. Trapablasi. Tanaka's voice.
$5.50
cash. $5.50. It's $5.50.
Yes.
So what am I gonna put on? What do you call it? What am I?
Water, pineapple slice, and cheese slice.
Oh, so you give me a bottle of water.
Water.
Yeah, water.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. So guys, I just ordered some food here at KFC. Good afternoon.
Hello, sir, how are you?
I'm fine. So man, we just got our food here. There's some loaded fries there, piece of chicken, and then yeah, here's our drink. Then yeah, let's get it. That's one I'm scared. Man.
Yes, I am.
New driver. Actually, what
about YouTube? This is your boy. I know who plays dude. Yeah, what is the channel on YouTube?
It's where I take a gado. But I'm
that's why we know you eat about the vlog. You go chaura jet.
Ragari pro garere. Ragari ma braz garere. Ragari promo.
Magapush.
Subscribe. Magagona skete. Magona kwa samana.
Kwantu no chiti manikidze.
Indobata vanhu huru at large. Kuita kuforsa. Sama ndakumbodrive one of my drivers timbo. Tiboeta kwasukwenda. Oyo. Jongwe kuona Adiniema. Sama natapindi hapa Jongwe. Jongwe kuona. Soka. Hauna kene ni. Dorana ngamuka ngakabukwa mumoyo munezi bunu dorana ngamuka ngakayangwa anema dorana Rastafari Taka
takura tichiteerera tonje kana kuti zvivisa kuita unhu wemapurisa chekuda kungoridza vamwe vanotasvinga tisati tabvarura hedu matrauzi nekutamba ndete ndinambokutendai nekusimbisa makawanda mauya makawanda hoyo uwese abana kumakisa makweza kisu tusifarisane
God's go down. Oyo. God's go down.
Radio contact has been attempted but cannot be assessed. Instructions are to prepare for an attack.
Oyo. Keep up them jetto.
What is that? Sure. Now we are Rana Rules.
Yes.
Rana Rules is the next king of hip hop.
Yes.
Understood. Who is it? Understood. Don't have a stage, Rana.
Yes.
Man, but I can freestyle.
Yes.
Sada kuna mwari, nekomera tikons.
Yes.
To king and Spitara Zana big shot. Step one move straight out. Get out of control. Remember me like John Lennon. My ex-son good, but because I can't live without true love goes on. Game on, my life is a movie. I move on, life goes on. Then you know it's I have got just no one thing. My buzz, I'm on a force with a small effect. I'm here to stay, but anybody might not throw me dead. To compete any suicide because I'm committed. I'm not going to next one collab, but I was in the work. Remember, these motherfuckers never left us. So try it, or
Carvalho. Garada dizia nada dzula. Os caras não vão ficar com tirar a moto. Nada dzula.
Mas o Dubai é essa manhã casa.
É para te benz, era essa manhã era uma benz.
Hoje as desamas aí benz.
Na gochu. Sabana tukula down. Tokutsaka fans yo. Babalasi la shumawani. Tokutsaka mfura. Nanga ndogo yo. Tokutsaka mfura sho. Beleza.
Ungana uchuna nezuro katuziya wati.
Wedzera makula.
Gari. Rugs. And then Tanaka ari areas avachagari unogo.
Samana tapindra pa East Gate. Parked here. Tapindra pa East Gate near this young man. So yeah, stay tuned. Do not know better say. Mrs. Sponsor me. Free promo.
Ungasponsor yo wasiye nini?
Aiwa, you wakambotenge papo here. So guys, chikafu chawe. Chako chikulu attractive but
Obvious.
kababaraza kauda sadza baba. Okay. Yeah.
Hey, filho de bem, parou
So guys, we're gonna go and link up with Nyat family. I think it's coming in Anatanda's mass and stuff. And then we want to go to Kroyo to see Tanaka stand. Kimi Tanaka stand. Not Tanaka stand. Kimi Tanaka stand. So, yeah. We currently at Anes' place. And we're about to get ready. With the end. So guys, stay tuned and watch the vlog today. This is gonna be a banger because there's gonna be a lot of content creators in here. Praise Makara, Kimi Tanaka, or any Anes, Nyat family, and Tanaka's mass and stuff. You understand? So stay tuned. Ofenda kada yako ni kama
Shoda mpatare. Oyo. Mwira ze. Mudziyo uri panzvimbo.
So yeah man, ndani ma creators yese. Panapa ndana Mr. Nyati, this young man, Ryan Anesu, Nyati, na mai masi futi. Memas munenzari makangogara. Murikuita sei? Amita nzara. Gona kiki. Hello. Kigaro zinobuda panze. Hai. Jamuka kiki. Damana ma creators ndo nina bana. Saka tarogadzira mana kuti tiende kuona stand Kimi Tanaka. Yarogadzira tiende kuona stand Kimi Tanaka. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, change of plans. Now we're going to the Msekas and we're supposed to carry 3 motors. We're supposed to use 3 cars. So I will see the silver bus because no ditch fuel. So I'm going to Nyati noi yangu ino. So yeah, that's the update now. So make sure stay tuned. You watch the video there, you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.
Go right, Mama. Okay. Do you want kaka? Do you want milk?
So guys, tungamidzana Nyati family. Vararajesa sura moti yavo diki kumberi yo. And then I'm following kumashure nino and then Nyati family up. Yeah. So now we're going to see the Msekas. I mean Nyati family driving zedu dzemuzimu anozigona here. Driving dzemaganvo state large, driving dzemababoons. But yeah, let's go, let's get it, let's get it. So guys, I think it's the first stop. We're going to have a safe station. I mean, was Rungo Tierra one up. So yeah, bro. I think I'm not down a petrol, and then I don't know the next shift stuff. What did I say? So yeah, stay tuned. So what's for me? Let's get it. Nothing that I'm going to play with the freeway. Then right now, I'm park. Let me park over there. I think maybe people that want to buy some food or stuff. But yeah, let me park over here. See what's for me. Let's get it. So I'm done with the recess. Yeah. Here's the next family car. So yeah, guys, there is Kimi Tanaka. I mean, Raines Kimi Tanaka. And then Mojana Raines Yana Nyatira Babayo. India, I just bought this. Because Quadrugo is kind of far, you understand? And this was our first stop, and now Chicago. So yeah, stay tuned and see what's going on. Samana, out of Fura Tugit. Yeah, Fura Tugit, Baba. And not family, I'm very proud of me. Yo, not family, and then Kimetanaga. Why is this with Kimetanaga? With this only Tanaga? Yeah, let's get it. Será assim? Será? Oh, mira vas. Oh, we paid the ticket. Now we're leaving. So let me wait for Anesu. They're here behind me there, and I will waiting for them. So yeah, let's wait. Agumana, Mozi yakufamba naona ni mari kunetsa so. Vanaramba utiza toll gate and they decided kuti tibhadhare mari instead of tiza toll gate. $3 aratotamisa ese chibhadhara. Shamana tikabhadhara so $3 zatakwanisa kutiza toll gate. Kufamba naona ni mari. Kutamba naona ni mari kwakaoma, musatamba naona ni mari. Tiza so $3 yangu bana. $3 yangu, $3 yangu. Where do I $3? Oh, ni mari kwakaoma boys. Tawazo ngatize toll gate varamba boys. Varamba boys, but anyways guys. We're still going. Because they live so far. Yeah. Yes, let's get it. Guys, I think the Africa areas. Was yeah. Let's see. Get Africa areas. Oh, paninge hapo panemba hiyo ya tashika. This is the Msega South. Hapa hiyo. Yeah. We are in the right lane then, in the right track. So let's go and super scoping. Let's get it. Mafanza Asia, but also moyo. Da ubara nzo nyata arikuite kuno. So yeah. Let's go and see what's popping, Baba. Let's get it.
Yeah, manaka. Easy big.
This is nice. Yeah? Yes. Ausum betongori kure abino kuti kwaone.
Yo mushanda iwewe.
Ketengori mileage. Masole magezi chi. Oh, chibatiri icho. Eh, saka chinodhonza.
Panashangwa.
Big time. Wow, young house too. Yeah, this is nice. Yeah. I'm a one.
I used to be over there. I'm from
Wow, this is nice.
Ndafunga kuti pamwe ndiye kutinga wofutika.
Ndoke makwaenzi kuno.
Mafungo kushanyirawo.
Wow.
Kai kuno kundokwedu kuno.
Ihotera.
Ihotera.
Mashandale, machiyo.
Twakanaka itu tumasita. Saka tisi takati separate nemunhu.
Okay. Ndo bathroom yanatanaka mbombera ino. This one mirror. Oh, church glass just here. Glass white modern. Komira. Right.
Anambuko akamboya akapaza ndakakwaza inda.
Pangapazi na mabagi lazo.
Angaripo but akapanya window ikingoti apana gozi kanori kuja.
Ngokuthi matinded.
Wakazopanya.
Zikaiba jabuna manje. Saka chiboka dzisi zvacho. Medzi dzene kile ama
Kachiruwa.
Kachiruwa.
Ende uchishuta akakweta kuti usingashuti. Varese.
Azvarese.
Battery racho riri a little bit stronger than the phone.
We the cameraman. Look, mama ya. Game over. Abo.
Paita chika.
Saura ngudongo yanoda.
Ai nini zvechikafu ndo zvangu manje.
Adza kutombira mwana.
Dongo yanoda ngoma.
Matora nguwa kuti musvike.
Pasoro iyi.
Octopus ndojina.
Da octopus ndo bata. Makeke. Game over. Mama yangu. Game over. What? Kenapa orang tuh pegang?
But zvisiri zvekuti foto munogonere kwata.
Game over. Mama yangu. Game over. That's why. Bisa benar kok. Berezi semua ini. Bisa benar mana kok. Cipu segera utsitsa umana urumo. Saya mana tapeza mai tabai badini. Bai badini. Wow, bai badini. Tapeza manje. Yeah, tatandara. Tatandara, guys. I beg guys, thank you for watching the video. Please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. So I'm not gonna be able to vlog on Shenda Kumba because I'm a dear, you understand? But yeah, don't forget to subscribe.
Amana,
Tuona na wewe.